That's a male one.
concerned about
I
us.
saw the female
No,
and
but
that's
he
a
doesn't
male.
want anybody to come take his stand.
Yeah. Go over there.
You see what it's doing there? It's eating the poo from
Right,
the
the
animal.
round.
That's what I thought it was.
It's
It's what?
It's poop.
Done.
I'll take you.
Look how big his head
It is
is.
for digestion.
Oh.
Don't your dogs ever eat cat poop?
Yep.
We call them doggy treats.
No.
We don't have cats.
Well, that's
And our neighbors don't have cats.
doggies do.
Oh.
They
Cats
love
make me
to clean the cat
sneeze.
box.
They like to roll in it. He likes to roll in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a male. That look.
He's not gonna bite me. He's not gonna bite me.
You gonna punch him?
Yeah.